Today, the US dollar stays firm against the euro. At the same time, it's gaining momentum against the yen. Whereas other major currencies, the greenback is moderately rising in anticipation of the outcome of the Fed's policy meeting. The regulator is going to finish its two-day policy meeting. It's expected to give a positive outlook for the US economy. Experts think that the time is not ripe for the central bank to change the interest rate, as well as make some adjustments to its bond buying program. Today, the US dollar index is steady, while yesterday it was flat. It rose slightly against the yen. The Australian dollar fell by 0.2% against the greenback. However, the Federal Reserve is expected to start reducing its bond purchases, which total $120 billion months. Therefore, in the long term, the US dollar index may correct downwards. Besides, technical indicators signal such a possibility. Today, investors are also anticipating the release of the building permits report from the US for February. The figure is projected to be slightly less than in January, so the US dollar index is unlikely to jump dramatically in the near future. Of course, the situation may change if the Fed surprises traders with some unexpected changes, yet it's highly unlikely. Yesterday, the dollar-yen pair was unable to sustain the rally due to the cautious mood of investors ahead of the Fed meeting. Even the stocks ended mixed. The Dow Jones lost 0.39% and the Nasdaq Composite declined by 0.09%. Today, the US dollar may rebound, so the dollar-yen pair has all chances to hit the previously indicated target of 110.35. Yet, technical analysis experts do not exclude the possibility of a small divergence of quotes due to some unexpected political or economic events. If the market tips to bullish sentiment, the divergence may turn into a short-term pullback, and then the pair is likely to move upwards. The Australian dollar asserted strength on the hourly chart yesterday. This is clear a sign of a trend change. The reversal occurred on February 25 from the level of 0.8010. The Aussie may resume a downward trend, dropping to the target levels of 0.7615, 0.7565 and 0.7500. Moreover, today it may face strong selling pressure due to the outcome of the Fed's policy meeting. The quote may dip below the level of 0.7717, which opens the way to the first downward target of 0.7615. And that's all for now. We wish you a profitable deal. See you in our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.